Welcome to ISPOR Copenhagen. This is a short video to look at how Copilot could be used in our health economics model, but maybe we should go inside because it's rather cold here. It's much warmer here. As you've seen at ISPOR Copenhagen, there are a lot of sessions, talks, podiums, symposium about artificial intelligence. And what we wanted to try here in this experiment is to use Copilot. It's a product delivered by GitHub, Microsoft, using OpenAI GPT-3, and using Copilot to help us build a cost-effectiveness model. So we wanted to test three things. One simple user interface change, just change this, call this macro. The second thing is generate the cost-effectiveness frontier from a code generated already by a human in UTI cost-effectiveness model in Excel. And the third step is to ask Copilot to generate the probabilistic sensitivity analysis. And so what we saw is that for the interface and the general well-known function from Excel, Copilot is very good. It can find the named function that you have, the named variable that you have already defined in your VBA code. That's not a problem. So that's very good. To generate the cost efficiency frontier, that was a little bit more difficult. Fun fact is that actually we were tricked because we launched Copilot on the full model, and then we removed all the code for the cost effectiveness frontier, but Copilot already registered it. So it could really well redo these graphs. So we were very intrigued, puzzled, amazed. But when we loaded into Copilot a cost effectiveness model without this already done, then definitely Copilot couldn't really do that. One of the issue of Copilot is that if it stays within your VBA code, there is no problem. Once it needs to go into the interface, the cells, if they are not named, and we test that with a Zoom form, a proprietary Zoom form that we created, and the introspection is not really good. And to end on the last experiment that we did for the PSA, really, unless you would provide step-by-step instructions to Copilot, then it couldn't generate the PSA. Just asking Copilot generate the PSA doesn't work. So in conclusion, it's very interesting to see that Copilot is a general purpose software, can easily work with VBA within Microsoft Excel. It's not as good as in Python or in other main or major data analytics language, but it's still good for normal standard function code within the VBA. But as soon as you go into more health economics concept, cost effectiveness concept, then this is not really there. So there are two main ways to proceed from there. The first one is, with more data fed into the codex for OpenAI, then definitely Copilot will improve. The second thing is that definitely as the field of health economics goes into other data analytics language like R, for instance, then definitely this will be improved also. So any question, any comment, feel free to contact me, either during the poster session at the Parexel booth in Copenhagen in the ISPOR Congress, or just contact me. I'll put all the information below. Thank you very much.